Welcome po sa Forex Introduction at Cheat Code in Forex Trading. So tonight, I'll be talking to you about Forex Trading. Paano ba itong Forex Trading? Paano magsimula? Paano kumita? At ano yung gagawin natin para mabilis lang tayong matuto sa Forex Trading? Alright? So guys, are you ready? Who's ready guys? Can you drop number 1 if you're ready? Grabe, ang daming OFW natin tonight. Drop number 1 in the chat box if you're ready. Alright, let's go. Before tayo mag-start guys, introduce ko muna yung sarili ko. I'm Nars Paraguya. I'm from Cagayan de Oro, 43 years old. I graduated at Xavier University. I'm an entrepreneur by profession, both digital entrepreneur and both how do you call this one, brick and mortar entrepreneur. So 10 years na po ako nasa digital business and also I am a resort owner. Meron akong mountain resort dito sa amin. I am a licensed financial consultant. So if you're looking for proper advice, financial literacy, and investment, so I am licensed to do that. I started Forex trading since 2017, so medyo matagal na. I found a community called Bisaya Trading Community. Maraming nag-join na mga kabayan and eventually nag-found na rin ako ng Kabayan Trading Community. As you can see here sa mga chat natin, kaway-kaway mga OFW natin dyan. God bless you, ingat po kayo palagi. So kaya nag-build ako ng community para po makatulong sa mga OFW na paano makapag-start ng business habang busy sila, habang nagtatrabaho sila. Alright? Just yesterday, we have a training. We interview one of our OFW from UAE. Nakakatuwa, si Ma'am Jadaline from UAE, originally from Mindanao. Nakakatuwa kasi last week kasi nag-withdraw siya ng 2,500 USD, all around 120,000 na kinita niya sa Forex trading dahil sa mga tinuro natin sa community. Alright? So, sinong gustong ganyan? So, this is me and my family. Bakit ko ito ginagawa? Because I want a quality life. Okay, I want a quality life. Anong ibig sabihin ng quality life? Quality income plus quality time with my loved ones. Okay, ito po yung reason. Kasi I want a quality life. Sino dito gusto magkaroon ng quality life? You can type QL, not LQ. QL. So ginagawa ko ito, digital business and Forex, kasi I want time with my family and I also have a good income for my family, both. So yung sinong gustong magkaroon ng quality life, this is the right channel or the right meeting na napasukan ninyo. Okay, quality life. Okay. QL ha, not LQ. QL, grabe, dami natin tonight mga OFW. Alright. So, disclaimer lang po, we do not accept any investment. So, hindi pa kayo pumasok dito para mag-invest kayo sa amin. No, and I discourage you to do that kasi dyan po yung mga hindi magandang tinatawag natin practice sa Forex trading po. So, yan po yung dahilan na we discourage to do that. Any one of you sa community, nag-message sa inyo na pasabay kayo mag-trade, mag-invest kayo sa amin, kayo mag-trade sa inyo, huwag kayong maniwala because we discourage and that's not our practice in our community and that's a big no-no. In our community, we handle dami na po natin. So pag nakita kong ganyan, automatic kick yan kasi hawak po natin. So what we do, ang ginagawa po natin is we teach you how to trade. You invest, kayo mismo mag-trade, you invest in yourself. I-invest nyo muna sarili ninyo. What about I'm busy, like OFW, I'm busy bro, I'm so busy, I don't have time to study. It's okay because we will have AI trading that will automatically trade for you. Yun din yung pag-uusapan natin tonight. All right, let's start. So we're talking about the basic in Forex trading and cheat codes of Forex trading. Just to let some of the ano yung audience natin tonight, can you drop number 1 if you are newbie or no idea, zero knowledge in your Forex trading? Kasi kanina may nagsabi, newbie po ako. Don't worry, marami po. And if you already started Forex trading, meron ka ng account, MT4, MT5, meron ka ng broker, can you drop number 2 in the chat box so I know kung ano yung audience ko tonight so that I can adjust my presentation. Kasi pag maraming audience, I'll make it to the point. So majority number 1, thank you for your response. Very responsive po yung audience natin tonight. 85 na po tayo, almost 100 po. Ganito, ibig sabihin po, ganito po karami gusto kumita ng dollar in a financial market. Okay. So yan pag-usapan natin. Guys, ano sa tingin niyo, is Forex is risky? Yes or no? Ay, Forex yan, risky yan. Ay, Forex, baka ano yan? Maraming na ano dyan. It's very risky. So the answer is Forex risky? Yes, it's risky. It's a high risk. However, high risk, high reward business model. Okay, ulitin ko po. High risk, high reward business model. I need to be honest with you that this is not for everyone. Well, thank you for joining us tonight. We have no commitment here. Tingnan mo, explore mo, and then if you feel that this is not for you, feel free to leave the opportunity on the table because hindi po ito para sa lahat. Para lang po ito sa mga seryoso na talagang kumita ng forex trading or kumita ng dollar na gamit yung cellphone lang nila. So, it's like business. Hindi po, business is not for everyone kasi hindi po lahat na-appreciate na mag-risk sa business. It's like being nag-abroad, like OFW. It's not for everyone. Kasi po hindi po lahat willing mag-risk na iwan yung pamilya nila para po dun sa reward. Bakit po may mga taong yumaman? Bakit po may mga taong kumita ng milyon? Isa lang yung dahilan yan. Because they are willing to take some risk at hindi lang tinitingnan nila yung risk but tinitingnan din nila yung reward. Okay. If I'm going to risk, ano yung makukuha ko? So tonight, can you do me a favor tonight? Is it okay to tingnan nyo muna yung reward? Tingnan nyo muna yung reward. Tingnan nyo muna kung ano yung possible na makukuha nyo bago nyo masasabi na this is risk, this is for me, and this is not for me. Like I said, it's no commitment. Wala tayong commitment here. Feel free to move on or feel free to move backward. It's okay. It's your life. We really appreciate. Nonetheless, we thank you that you joined tonight and really appreciate your time to join tonight. All right, let's go. Why Forex? Bakit to Forex? Now, this is my personal perspective. Forex po kasi it's a digital business. Ibig sabihin, I have businesses before and I have also existing business. Like I said, I owned a mountain resort. It's not easy to build a brick and mortar business. Kailangan mo malaking capital dyan. But in a digital space, maliit lang. Pero kailangan mo lang ng skills. Okay. Flexible lifestyle. Pwede kang habang busy ka. May mga FW dito marami. If you're busy, you can trade. Alam nyo ba na ako, nagtitrade ako only 30 minutes every day. 30 minutes every day. That's all you need para makapag-trade. That's all you need para kumita ng 100 USD per day, 200 USD per day. Of course, before ka aabot sa level na dyan, kailangan mo siyang i-explore at aralin. So that's, yun ang ibig sabihin ng flexible lifestyle. Nagta-travel ka man, you're in Japan, uwi ka sa Pilipinas, pwede kang mag-trade as long as may internet ka at may cellphone ka. Alright? So low startup capital. Alam ko marami kayong pera but still suggest start slow, dahan-dahan lang muna hanggang matuto. But kung makuha mo na to, high income potential. Bakit ko sinasabing high earning potential? Kasi po sa community natin, meron po kumikita dito ng 100,000 in 1 week. Marami din, may mga kumikita din dito na 100,000 in 1 day. Which lahat po yan, back up po yan ng screenshots and mga tao kung sino yan sa community natin, makikilala nyo sila in person. Okay. So mayroon tayong mga event, mga face-to-face event na makikilala nyo in person. So we have coming event in UAE. So if you're in Dubai, in UAE, message me or message someone who gives you the link. We can arrange a face-to-face meeting with you if you want to really explore. And the best part is no experience needed. Hindi kailangan na, kasi hindi naman to inaral. Wala namang university na nagturo ng forex trading. Okay. But kailangan mo lang dito is yung willingness lang talaga na matuto. Alright? Yun lang talaga. So for me, this thing, nasa bahay lang ako, I have a time, and maganda yung kita ko. For me, forex trading gives me a quality life. Okay, a quality life. But I'm not saying that if you decide today, tomorrow, gano'n na. Anything, may mga proseso. Alright. So what is forex trading? Okay. Forex in a nutshell, it's very simple. It's foreign exchange. Palitan ng pera. Marami tayong OFW. May Japanese yen ka. Pag uwi mo sa Pilipinas, papalitan mo na yung lapad mo ng peso. That exchange. You're from UAE. You're from Saudi. Papalitan mo yung pera mo. Currency ng bansa mo dito sa Pilipinas ng peso. That's for exchange. But ang atin, it's done digitally. So gagawin natin with cellphone, laptop, or any smart devices. So it's in a financial market. In fact, this is the largest financial market because meron tayong 7 trillions of dollars are being transacted or trade every day. Yes, you heard it right. 7 trillions. Not 7 billions, but 7 trillions. Kukunin man natin lahat, hindi, maliit lang. $700 lang per week, $1,000 per week, $100 per week, depende. Okay. So it's a global market kasi all of the country may currency sila. This is the most liquid. Ito yung gusto ko, guys. Kasi Friday, nag-withdraw ako. Anytime pwede mo ma-withdraw. So kung may napasukan kayong forex daw, pero hindi mo withdraw, maybe that's a red flag. That could not a legit forex. Kasi dapat kasi sa forex, dapat ma-withdraw nyo. Sa community natin, mag-share kami ano yung magandang broker na gagamitin mo, ano yung recommend namin, magbibigay kami ng link para mag-guide po kayo. Alright? It operates 24/5. So Saturday, Sunday, walang trade. Kanina message sa akin, say, bakit hindi gumagalaw yung chart ko? Sabi ko, bro, walang trade ngayon kasi weekend. Okay, ang trade lang is crypto like BTC, USD meron. Okay, so you can trade, like I said, smart devices. And sino nagtitrade? Government, central banks, financial institutions, and individual. Tayo, ang tawag sa atin is retail trader. Alright, moving on. Ito yung mga business ng mga bangko at central banks. Alright, so it's simple. It's buy and sell business. Kaya lang it's done digitally. So you don't need to buy a trucks of rice and then you carry it and then you put it into your warehouse dun sa mga physical mo. Dito is digitally done lang. Cellphone lang siya. Alright? So next. So example, meron kayong dollar before. Ngayon, yung dollar may 58 na. So nag-grow yung dollar mo. Tumaas siya. So nag-profit ka ng 8 pesos. Yun lang po ka-simple kung paano mag-profit sa tinatawag natin na forex trading. Alright? By the way, guys, welcome po. Almost 100 na po yung participants natin all over the world. This is a short webinar. This will only last 1 hour. So I'll make it 45 minutes and after that, meron tayong Q&A. Pwede kayong magtanong. Lahat ng mga questions, I'll address this one. Alright? So, simple lang po. Si Forex po, mayroon siyang market na tinatawag natin nga paakyat. Okay? Ipaakyat ang gagawin nyo dyan is mag-buy possession po kayo. Okay. Mayroon din siyang market na tatawag na pababa. Kung pababa yung market, ang gagawin nyo dyan is mag-sell possession po kayo. Yan lang po ka-simple. So ito yung mga major pairs, currencies, or assets na tinatrade dati. But aside from currencies, we also trade gold, XAU, USD, and we also trade stocks or US30, and we also trade BTC or Bitcoins and ETH. So, ito po sa community po natin. But majority, dito nagtitrade is US30, XAUUSD, and Forex, EURUSD. Alright? So, yun po yung mga assets natin. So, I'm going to introduce to you some of the important words in the world of Forex. It's called take profit and stop loss. Or we call it, for short, TP and SL. Now, ito po yung assignment ko sa inyo. I want you to memorize these two important terms, take profit at saka stop loss, kasi along the way, kapag kasi sinasabi ko po na TP, anong ibig sabihin niyan? Kapag TP, ang ibig sabihin niyan is take profit. Kapag kasi sinasabi kong stop loss, ang ibig sabihin niyan is, SL, ang ibig sabihin niyan is stop loss. So, paano yan? How does it work? Lalo na newbie pa ako, hindi ko maintindihan. It's very simple. Ang market po, kung titingnan ka sa market, or titingnan ka sa trading view or sa chart, makikita mo itong mga candlesticks. Normally, we analyze your candlesticks. Although we have different kind of charts or like line charts, okay. And then this one is candlesticks, so Japanese candlesticks. So ito po yung example. Nakita nyo dito. Itong green, ito yung TP natin. Anong ibig sabihin ng TP? Green. TP. Anong ibig sabihin ng TP? You can write if you know. Okay. And ang red natin is SL. So halatang-halata is stop loss. So anong ibig sabihin yan? Okay. So there you go. So ito yung possession mo. Ito yung tinatawag natin na entry zone mo. So based on your analysis o yung mga tools na ginagamit natin, sabi niya, pag dito yung presyo, ito yung entry zone mo, pumasok ka. So since yung forecast natin is paakyat, anong gagawin natin pag paakyat? Pag paakyat is buy. So you buy here at this price, tumaas yung presyo, na-hit yung target mo. Ang target mo, ang tawag dyan is TP. Ibig sabihin, take profit ka na. Ibig sabihin, na-close yung trade mo, may kita ka na, may dollar ka na. Congratulations, may pera ka na. Dalawa yung target mo, TP2. Tawag natin to TP2. Na-hit yung TP2 again with this candle. One candle nga lang. 2, 3, another 3 candle na hit siya. Ibig sabihin is, may pera ka na. Ganun lang ka. Simple. Depende sa trade mo, scalping or day trade. If you're in scalping, it will only take you minutes. Okay? Minsan 5 seconds lang, TP ka na. So stop loss naman, paano pag mali yung forecast mo? Okay, kasi sa forex naman is walang absolute, meaning to say, walang 100%. Just like any other business, hindi lahat ng time panalo. Okay. Just like in love life. Okay. So, halimbawa nagkamali, meron siya tinatawag na cut loss. Yung damage mo hindi malaki. As long as may stop loss ka, meron ka lang limit na ito lang yung damage ko. 1% lang yung damage sa kukunin ko pagka mali yung forecast ko. Okay, so automatically it will close. Ang tawag dyan is stop loss. So may mga automation dyan para madali lang and you don't need to do it manually. Okay, but if you're scalping like us, bang, bang, bang. Ano lang, seconds lang, pack, close, pack, take profit, ganun lang. So mabilisan lang. Ituturo namin yan. One of our strategy kasi sa community is live trading scalping. Live trading scalping. Alright, let me continue. Okay, mamaya na ako mag-ano ng mga questions ha. We have a questions for that. So in short guys, I'll make it as simple as we can. The market is having two basic direction. Technically tatlo, okay? Uptrend, downtrend, ranging. It's called market structure. Pero to make it very simple, dalawa yung direction ng market, paakyat lang or pababa. If you forecast it or if you predict it or if you anticipate it, anticipation, na yung market is paakyat, ang gagawin po position is buy. Okay. So if you anticipate, if you forecast it na bababa, ang market position mo is sell. Ganun lang po. So in any direction, kapag ka makuha mo, bang, yun yung maganda. However, ang tanong, paano natin malaman ang direction ng market? Very good questions. Okay. Hindi ba kayo nagtatanong? Paano natin malaman yung direction ng market? Now, in the world of Forex, mayroon tayong tinatawag na analysis. Ayan na. Medyo pumasok na yung mga analysis na yan. Okay. The analysis will help you identify the direction of the market. Sabi ko, dalawa yung direction. Although tatlo, based on structure and trend, but technically, even if the ranging is still going up and going down. So dawa lang, pababa ang packet. Ang goal mo is to identify kung saan papunta yung presyo. Aakyat ba siya or pababa ba siya? And the only way to anticipate that one is to understand na tinatawag natin na market analysis. Ayan na, pumasok na tayo sa medyo technical na aspeto. Alright? So, don't worry guys, may cheat codes tayo for that. Okay, so 3 types of market: sentimental, technical, and fundamental. Is it okay if I'm going to dig a little bit lang? Nothing to be very serious for this one. Just an overview. Okay. Okay lang ba? Are still there? Okay lang po kayo. So, sentimental, ganito yan. Si sentimental is nag-aagawan ang buyers at sellers. Pag marami yung buyer, tataas yung presyo. Okay. Example, if you're an OFW, gusto kang umuwi sa Pilipinas by December. Ang question ko, by December, marami bang buyer ng eroplano? Marami bang buyer? Marami bang mag-travel? Yes or no? Can you drop in the chat box? What do you think? So if yes, thank you. Yes, ibig sabihin, ang presyo ba tataas? Ang presyo ng ticket ng eroplano tataas or bababa? Tataas o bababa? Tataas. Very good. Veneer. Very good, Edeline. Ibig sabihin, pasado ka na, alam mo na ang market analysis. Yun lang ang tinatawag na sa sentimental aspect. Meron pa tayong technical and fundamental. Okay. Fundamental naman, it's very simple. May mga news sa isang bansa. Okay. Gaya natin yan, maraming news na naka-epekto ng ekonomiya. Like war, tariffs, anything. Right now, grabe si Donald Trump, daming news. So mayroon tayong tinatawag na economic calendar. Titingnan mo lang dyan sa sa website ng Forex Factory. Titingnan niyo yung mga red, ang tawag dyan high impact news. Okay. May mga news that would cause the market to goes up or to goes down or tinatawag natin dyan, volatility and may volume na papasok. Okay, so sorry for the word, but himay-himayin natin lang eventually along the way later. Okay, lalo na kapag napasok ka na sa community. Okay, so that's fundamental. Sa technical analysis naman, ito medyo technical. Kaya nga tinatawag na technical. Technical analysis, understanding market structure, understanding support and resistance, understanding price action, understanding the volume, indicators, candlestick, patterns, and everything. So medyo complicated lang siya. So you analyze the chart now. In other words, you analyze the chart technically. So basically, pinaka-importante dito na una mo maintindihan is support and resistance. Okay? And then, mamaya, pupunta na tayo sa mga breakaway, mga patterns, okay? Market structures and trend, and then eventually, later on, pupunta tayo sa mga patterns. So, please understand that Forex trading is made up of 80% patterns. Kung titignan mo yung candlestick pattern, lahat yan. Do we need to understand that? Yes, for you to be profitable. Otherwise, kung hindi mo siya maintindihan, naghuhula ka lang. Bro, paano kung maghuhula lang ako? Medyo complicated kasi, di ba? Medyo complicated. Maghuhula lang ako. Very simple. Kung maghuhula ka lang, ang problem is, it will only give you 5% win rate kapag hinahulaan mo lang. So, mababa lang yung win rate mo. Kaya maraming pumasok sa Forex trading, hindi siya naging successful kaagad kasi hinuhulaan lang. Hindi natin mahulaan yung market, or we can't win through hula because that's only 5%. So the only way to win the market is you get into the analysis itself. But my question for you is, eto na, do you want an easier solution? Sir, coach, bro, parang medyo magulo yata yung discussion mo or medyo complicated lang. I'm newbie, I'm busy, like that. So, are you feeling me? Are you in the same sense? Okay? 'Di ba? So, paano pag nag-start pa ako? So ganyan. So, ang gagawin natin, guys, with our cheat codes, gagawin natin you want an easier solution. Yung mahirap, mamadiliin natin. Okay. Sino dito gustong madali na lang? Ano ibig sabihin niyan? If you're newbie, hindi mo kailangan ng years or months to learn or to be profitable in Forex trading. Okay. Kasi po, Forex trading, it will take you 6 months to 2 years for you to be profitable. Ako, more than 3 years for me to be profitable in Forex trading. Okay. And if you're already a trader, it doesn't mean na profitable ka na. It could be because that you are here, you want to improve your win rate. So it only take you weeks or sometimes days or less than a month to be profitable in Forex trading. Okay. So, solution natin dyan, since nagsagot na rin kayo sa chat box ng yes, me, do you want an easier solution? Ang solution natin dyan is meron tayong tinatawag na cheat codes in Forex trading. Meaning to say, ang mahirap pa madili lang. Pero guys, is it okay, before I continue sa cheat code, i-share ko muna konti yung personal story ko. Bakit ko to na-encounter itong cheat codes in Forex trading? Do I have your permission to share that? Okay? Okay lang po ba? Alright. So, I started Forex trading since 2017. Yan po. So, medyo matagal na. 7 to 8 years na ako. Pero guys, at the year 2021, nag-stop ako sa Forex trading. Lahat. Totally stop. Kasi that was the night na natalo ako ng 400K. 400K peso. Okay. Not too big, not too small, but masakit. Masakit. Kaya I end up in Forex trading. At that time, wala community. At that time, wala cheat codes. Mano-mano lahat. Mano-mano. Mga patterns, mano-mano lahat dinodraw namin when we started in Forex trading. So, ang danger nito is kung marunong ka na. At lalo nang walang nagtuturo ng risk management. Kahapon, we just concluded our chart mastery with risk management. Walang natuturo kasi sa akin ng risk management. So I end up, I feel that it's not for me. Kaya lang, 2 years ago, nagkaroon ako ng problema financially. One of my major business na close, which I was a CEO and I have 50 employees with my business. So nahirapan ako, wala masyadong pumapasok na pera. Eventually, nagkaroon ng crisis. Binenta ko yung 2 kotse ko and then isang bahay. and na naghahanap ako ng opportunity na pwede ako makapag-bounce back. Now, eto na. 20 last year, August last year, meron akong kaibigan na pina-follow ko sa Facebook at magkaibigan kami. Nakita ko yung trading journey niya for 1 year, medyo consistent at profitable. So now, sa kagustuhan na gusto ko makabangon financially, one day may post siya result niya sa forex trading, nag-message ako sa kanya. Bro, kumusta? Ganyan, ganyan. Okay ba? So, okay bro. So doon, we keep on communicating. Doon ko na-realize na bro, ngayon kasi bro, sa Forex, meron na tayong mga ginagamit na mga AIs or cheat codes. Okay. Oh, that's good, that's good. Pero hindi rin ako naniniwala kagad. Just like you, maybe hindi maniwala kagad. Ang nangyari kasi, na-feature siya sa RDR Talks. Okay. Sino dito kilala kay RDR Talks? Ang alam kay RDR Talks. Sino dito? Mayroon ba dito nakaalam kay RDR Talks? If you know RDR Talks, ibig sabihin you are business inclined. Kasi RDR Talks is a podcast sa mga business. Okay. Business inclined. Nangyari sa kanya, na-feature siya sa RDR Talks, may utang pala siya na 26 million. 26 million. Sino dito may utang 26 million? Don't worry. Kick out natin yung mga inuutangan natin nyo dito. Ang point ko is, wala naman siguro dito yung inuutangan nyo. So, it's okay to recognize na may pangangailangan ka and mayroon kang hinahanap na solution sa pangangailangan mo. Yun yung importante. So, who among you here are brave enough to admit that mayroon akong utang? Okay. Pero kung utang mo is 25 million lang, 20 million lang, 5 million lang, madali lang yan. Kasi sa kanya, 26 million. Nangyari sa kanya, guys, is yung 26 million niya na utang, nabayaran niya dahil sa Forex trading business. Okay. Forex trading business. Hindi lang trading at the same time, meron ding tinatawag na affiliates. Okay. So, it's part of the business. So, kaya nga nandito ako, I'm presenting to you kasi hindi lang sa dahilan na gusto ko makatulong sa inyo. Kasi meron din akong affiliate. So, meron din akong konting kita. Kapag any among you would like to get in and tutulungan ako, that's part of, ganoon talaga sa business world. Kumbaga, may nagpro-promote. But sa kanya talaga is 26 million na bayaran niya. Hindi siya makatulong. Eventually, because of Forex, na-redeem niya yung self niya. So, doon ako naniwala. Sabi ko, ay utang ako eh. So, doon ako maniniwala. So, anong gagawin ko para makabangon ako? I tried businesses for 2 years. Okay? Naggumawa ako ng agency, nagbayan sila ko ng kotse, nagbayan sila ko ng bahay. Hindi madali, guys. I tell you. Building a traditional business, it's not easy. Lalo na kung maliit lang yung capital mo. So, I started to take a look at in Forex trading again. So, ito na yung nangyari. Are you excited, guys? What happened to me? Using cheat codes in Forex trading, last year, August, nag-start ako, bumalik ko sa Forex trading. I decided and then I asked myself, bro, pwede ba tayo mag-usap? And then I build a community in Forex para hindi ako nag-iisa. Kasi hindi lang madali yung Forex trading. So, maganda may community ka. So, ito siya. Yung kaibigan ko, ito na yung team namin na eventually ngayon some of the mga coaches na sa community na. This is yours truly. Okay. Nag-meeting kami, tinulungan kami, ganyan. Yun yung maganda sa community. And yung December, guys, is dadaan kami naka-recover. December, guys, is because of Forex. Di ba, nagbinta ako ng 2 kotse. At least, nakabili na ako ng isa. So, lumabas kami ng, this is 100% katas ng Forex trading. Alright, so yun yung nangyari sa akin. So, yun nga, sabi ko, quality life. Okay, quality life. In just few months lang, September, October, November, December, 4 months lang. Okay. So, yun. And then, moving on, ito na yung mga cheat codes ng Forex trading natin. Number 1, guys, is, mabilis lang talaga. Basta aralin mo lang. Number 1, guys, is AI tools. So, dati, when I started Forex trading, mayroon ng AI tools, kaya lang mahal. During that time, kailangan mo 200,000 to 400,000 to start our AI tools with Forex trading. So, meron tayong 2 klaseng AI tools, guys. Meron tayong tinatawag na manual and meron tayong tinatawag na automated. So, yung manual, yung tayo talaga mag-trade. Yung automated, those who are busy, na feeling nila, ayaw ko na mag-aral, may pera naman ako, mag-capital na lang ako. So, gagawin natin, guys, mag-avail tayo sa tinatawag natin na AI trading. Automated ito. Okay, automated. May community din dito, so huwag kang mag-alala, may pagtanungan ka. And i-guide din namin kayo paano mo siya i-avail yung tinatawag na automated. Okay. But let me take one step at a time. Okay. So this is our AI pattern scanner. Mayroon tayong AI. Like I said, kung mag-trade ka manually, titingnan mo yung chart, okay, from the trading view. Pero mayroon tayong AI and a web-based siya, para siyang application pero web-based siya, natutulong siya mag-analyze ng market para sa'yo. Ang tawag dyan is AI pattern scanner. So imagine, di ba, imagine, mayroon ka ng AI. The good thing is mayroon siyang suggestion. Dito ka pumasok, ito yung entry mo, ito yung TP mo. Ano nga yung TP? Yung target mo, yung profit mo, take profit, TP1, TP2, ito yung SL mo. That's a good news. So it will really make your life easier. Now, if you are already a trader, make this one as your confluences. I'm sorry for the term, medyo malalim. Make this one as your confirmation. Okay, kasi yung tao minsan, di ba, na ano tayo. So, ito mas maganda, AI, kasi accurate yung interpretation. Okay. So, this one, ang basis naman ito is harmonic patterns. So, kaya ko ito na-appreciate kasi when we trade before, we use harmonic patterns. Harmonic patterns is advanced strategy. It's a profitable patterns, very profitable, I would say. It would lead you to 70% to 85% win rate. By the way, guys, walang 100% win rate sa forex trading. That's a fact. Kung may nagsasabi may sa inyo na sa kanila 100%, tumakbo kayo. Kasi hindi legit yan. So, paano tayo magkatalo? Kailangan mataas lang yung win rate natin into 50%. That means that you are profitable. More than 50% is profitable. However, harmonic patterns give you 70 up to 85%. Kaya lang ang problem dito is it's difficult to identify, especially for non-professionals. Lalo na ngayon, maraming baguhan. So, hindi mo ito ma-identify. So, how can you maximize this pattern? With the use of our AI pattern scanner. Okay? So, siya na mag-scan. We don't need to draw. Automatically, may settings lang, may trainings naman dito if you want to access this one. So, magbibigay siya ng timbre or signal. Ito yung entry mo. Pag pumasok dito yung price, mag-entry ka. Buy tayo. So, magbibigay din siya, buy signal ba ito or sell signal ba? So, magbibigay din siya, ito yung target mo, TP1 mo, ito yung price, 61.2.2891. TP1, TP2, this is your SL. Ganun lang. Bro, or sir, mayroon bang gumagamit yan? Marami. In fact, ito na guys, result na ipapakita ko. So, marami. So, ito na yung isang result na gumagamit nito. Ito yung screenshot ng actual na binigay na pattern. Kumikita ito ng 621 in one trade and another TP 681. So, dalawang TP guys, lahat-lahat kumita ng 1,300 sa isang araw. O sure, I'd say 30 minutes, 1 hour or 2 hours of trade, kumita siya ng 70,000 pesos. Following? Ganun ho ang forex trading. But I'm not saying na pumasok kayo today, bukas kumita na kayo. May mga process dyan. May mga trainings at practice. May yung iba na nalitan, okay, ito medyo malaki to. 4,101 trade, guys. 4,101 trade. Okay. Ako, hindi pa ako umabot ng 1 trade or 1 night ng 200. Umabot ako ng 200 in 1 month or 100 in 1 week. Pero never ko pa nakaabot ng 200 in 1 day. Okay, pakilala ko sino may-ari nito, guys. 237,000 pesos in 1 day. Kaya ito yung, kaya nyo ba itong kitain? Yes. Magtatrabaho ka, mag-business kayo, pwede nyo itong kitain. So mga FW, kaya nyo ba itong kitain? Yes. Malaki yung kita nyo. Pero ano yung ibig kong sabihin? If kukunin mo ito for 1 month, and sa forex trading mo, kukuha mo for 1 day, anong mabibigay sa'yo? Quality life. May pera ka, may time ka. Diba? So, ito na yung may-ari, guys. Si Coach. Ito yung trade niya actually. This is the actual trade. Ang tawag nito, guys, is floating trade pa. At this, in this video, floating trade pa. Okay. So, yung nag-TP na final na, ito na yung final niya. Trade pa to. Very excited ka sa katili. Pag TP, this is another trade. No, another 234,000 in 1 day of trading. Alright, so ito yung latest niya. Baka sabihin nyo, matagal na yun, sir. December pa yun. So ito yung latest niya. March 03 when we have a bootcamp with our team. Okay, face-to-face training. may bootcamp kami. So ito yung latest niya. Another, very consistent yung trade niya, no? Another 200,000 in one trade alone. So this is Coach Gio and this is yours truly. All right? So yun yung resulta kung aaralin mo yung forex trading. May lalabas pong pera. Yes po bro, kasi business. Okay. Business. Okay. So, but mamaya pag-usapan natin. Maliit lang. Okay, maliit lang. Pwede ka bang kumita ng pera na walang ilalabas? Wala. Kahit empleyado or mag-abroad ka, kailangan ka pa rin lalabas ng pera para mag-abroad. So, that's the principle in money or business. So, paano po yung commission? Mamaya pag-uusapan natin. But mamaya natin pag-usapan yung commission. Ito muna natin pag-usapan yung paano ka kumita sa forex trading. Okay. So now if you are busy, for those who are busy, listen up. This is for you. Okay. I don't want to learn na pagod na ako kasi busy. Pero guys, I tell you, kung ganito kalaki yung kikitain mo sa isang araw, willing mo ba itong i-learn? Ito yung tanong ko. If ganito kalaki yung kikitain mo sa isang araw, let's just say, this one is 200,000. Let's just say 20,000 lang. 20,000. Kung ganito kalaki yung kikitain mo, ang question ko, willing ka bang aralin itong forex trading? Can you drive why? Drive why if you are willing. Thank you. Guys, success are those who are willing. So, ibig sabihin, willing ka, ibig sabihin, yan yung direction mo. But if you're not willing talaga, sabihin mo lang, may pera ako, marami akong pera, I don't want to learn. Don't worry guys, we got you covered. We have AI trading for you. Ano yung ibig sabihin ng AI trade? AI trading. Wala ka nang gagawin. I-link mo lang yung account mo sa AI, then you're good to go. Automated, nagko-compound pa yung pera mo, stress-free. Ito na yung sagot kanina, may ilalabas na ng pera. Yes, kasi it's business. Pero hindi mo ibibigay sa akin, ha? Doon sa broker, doon mo ilalagay. So, ang capital dito, initial capital is 300 USD only. 300 USD only. So, mayroon itong proven 1-year track record. Dalawa yung trade natin, guys. Dalawa yung AI, Wealth Builder and Wealth Gainer. Si Wealth Gainer naman is specifically more on gold. And then, mayroon siyang 10 to 15 equity gain or tubo sa isang buwan. Average ito, average with your AI trading. So, this is good. May pera ka and then you don't want. Huwag kang mag-AI trade kung maliit lang yung pera mo. Hindi mo siya ma-appreciate. Okay? Kung maliit lang yung budget mo, I suggest you go for manual trade. Okay? Para gusto mong i-double, triple yung pera mo, pwede. Kung marunong ka na. Pero if you want a long-term, dahan-dahan, pero consistent siya, may pera ka, dito tayo AI trade. So ito yung, guys, for more than 1 year track record natin, every month, ito yung gain niya. 24, 14, walang negative sa isang buwan. So that means that this one is, this AI is proven and tested na po. Okay. Another cheat code is VIP signals. Kung busy ka, sa community may magbibigay na signal when to buy, when to sell. Kopyahin mo lang, copy-paste mo lang sa MT5 mo. And then you're good to go. Another app, Solex. Then sa community, kopyahin mo lang. Manual copy-paste. And then you're good to go. Okay. Mataas din yung win rate nito guys. Mayroon tayong backtesting with this one. Mayroon siyang 78% na win rate. Okay. So, kopyahin mo lang. So, may 175 pips, 133 pips. Malaki din. Day trade ito, hindi to scalping. Okay, day trade. Tuturo din namin sa inyo kung anong gagawin mo para tama yung positioning mo for this one. Of course, you need to understand technical analysis for this one kasi ito is, tawag nito is manual trading. Okay? But madali na lang kasi mayroon may bigyan natin. Another cheat code, guys, is academy. So, mayroon tayong academy. Guys, in trading, iba-iba yung strategy. Iba-iba yung tinatawag natin na style. There are million ways to win in trading. And it's not advisable to learn a lot of strategies kasi maguguluhan ka. I suggest you focus in 1 or 2 strategy. Kaya mayroon tayong academy. Academy. Basic, advanced, and masterclass. Ito po yung maa-access mo. And then I say, ito, basic, advanced. Anytime if you're busy, especially for those OFW, anytime pwede mong ma-play ito. Pwede mong during your free time. Meron din itong crypto and meron din itong stocks. Actually guys, we have crypto also but nakafocus tayo sa forex kasi para hindi kayo maguguluhan. Okay. So community natin guys, sa Kabayan Tradings Community and Pinoy Tradings Community, meron tayong chart mastery. Aside doon sa web-based na academy. So ibig sabihin dalawa yung course. Okay. Meron tayong chart mastery. Every Saturday po ito, Tagalog version. Tagalog. most of the time ako at may mga kasamang coaches na nagtuturo sa inyo. You can ask questions. Ito po is a Zoom lang para accessible sa lahat kasi yung community natin is hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas. Malawak kasi yung community natin, especially Kabayan Traders community. So mayroong magtuturo sa inyo. A group coaching nga lang, hindi one-on-one. Alright? So ito ba is mga some of our educators. Okay? And then another cheat code guys is live trading. Guys, ito yung pinaka-exciting. Ang live trading na ito is ito yung ginagamit ko rin. Ginagamit ko lately. Okay? Ibig sabihin nito guys is mayroong isang master trader na si Abdallah Harpuch, nakabase siya sa Dubai. Okay, gagawin niya, every night, from Monday to Friday, magti-trade siya. Every 9:30 p.m. after the New York session. PH time yan, 9:30 p.m. PH time. Ang gagawin mo, papasok ka dun sa trade niya, sasabay ka, pag sinasabi niyang buy, mag-buy ka. Pag sasabihin niyang sell, mag-sell ka rin. So technically, it's the simplest way and the easiest way to make money in forex trading. Kasi sasabay ka lang, sasabayan mo lang. Kaya sabi ni Anthony Robbins, the fastest way to master is that you model. Dapat mayroon kang tao na ifa-follow. So ifa-follow mo lang siya, sasabayan. Kopyahin mo lang. Mas dali kasi mangopya, di ba? So kopyahin mo lang siya. Ito yung mga results natin, guys. So ito yung
oh my God,
how it works. Meron kang access.
Buy na.
Okay. Tapos sasabihin niya, buy. Si-set up siya, guys. Be ready. Pag mag-breakaway, buy. Pag hindi, stop. Ganyan. So ito yung some of the results ng our live trade. Okay, live trade. May mas yung sumasabay 100 USD per night, ha? 100 USD per night. This one is already 6,000, 7,000 in one night. Sumasabay ka lang. Okay? Copy? Like I said, guys, yung mga questions nyo, mamaya sasagutin ko during the Q&A portion. Okay. So, guys, technically, AI tools, Signal, Academy or course, and live trading, lahat yan ma-access nyo guys sa community natin or VIP community. Kaya lang to access guys, kailangan ka mag-enroll sa economy. Economy is hindi siya broker. Ano siya? Parang academy siya pero may technology na kasama. So alam niyo naman na mahal ang tinatawag natin na enrollment sa forex trading. Mahal. Okay. Enrollment sa forex trading, ako nga nag-enroll ako, medyo mura lang 30,000. 30,000. 3 days yun. Basic and bakit mahal? Because this is high paying skills. Kung makukuha mo nito, yung trabaho mo today, yung sweldo mo dyan na 1 month, pwede mo kitain 1 day. Yun ang tinatawag na high paying skills kung makukuha mo. Kaya may community, mayroon tayong cheat codes para madali mong makuha. Alright, but not anymore. This is too expensive. Okay, gagawin mo lang guys, to enroll with our community is kailangan mo lang magbayad ng 694 USD. 645 brother USD or around 30,000 pesos. Okay. So kung ganito kalaki yung kitain mo guys, sulit ba na mag-enroll ka kasi may tamang tools ka sa pagtitrade mo? Sulit ba? Sino dito sasabi na sulit? Yes. Okay. Sino dito magsasabi na sulit? Okay. Walang problema. Kung lalabas ako ng 30,000, kikita naman ako ng 100. Sulit ba? Yes. Thank you. Si Marzonio, ito yung businessman, ito yung kikita. Kasi siya yung willing talaga. Ay, yung iba, interested din yan. Baka kasi nataasan. Guys, if nataasan kayo, gusto nyo medyo paliitin natin ng konti. Okay. Paliitin natin ng konti, guys. Gagawin nyo lang. Okay. Here's the, if you want, sino gusto medyo paliitin ng konti? Guys, kung gusto nyo paliitin ng konti, ito yung deal ko sa inyo. Mag-reply kayo sa person or Facebook page nang nag-message sa inyo. Di ba may nagbigay ng link? Trade like a pro, blah, 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 free forex. May nagbigay ng link. Ang gagawin nyo lang, mag-reply lang kayo doon. The password is I joined the webinar. I joined the webinar. Kung mag-reply kayo doon, may apakita namin sa iyo anong paraan para lesser lang. Another payment. Okay, I joined the webinar. Okay, guys. Para nyo mapakita ko kung ano yung ginagawa ng ibang company. Remember this word, remember this number, 647 USD. Sa ibang company, kung mag-aaral ka lang, hindi kasama yung AI tools, you need to pay 1,499 USD. 1,799 USD plus 99 USD monthly subscription every month. Ganun ho sa other company. Hindi pa kasama itong AI na ginagamit natin. Sa atin is 645, pero I have good news for you. Meron tayong payment option number 2. Wow. Payment option number 2. 149 lang. Less than 10,000. Yes. Mayroon ka ng dalawang course, ECA and Chart Mastery. Meron kang VIP signals, yung kopyahin mo lang yung mga numbers, yung trade. Meron kang AI tools, both manual, at yung wala ka nang gagawin talaga gusto sa AI lang, pwede. And then meron ka ng access sa live trading or master trader for only 149. Guys, when I asked my friend about this one, sabi ko, bro, may kano ma-access na mga ganyan? Cheat codes, bro. Sabi niya, 149. Personally, I really think it was 149,000. Akala ko talaga 149,000. But sabi niya, bro, hindi 100. Kasi I'm an entrepreneur. Diba? Sinasabi mong business. What kind of business na 10,000 lang yung capital? 20,000 lang yung capital? At least in my mind, if for the legit business, at least pinakamalit yan, 200,000. Kasi gano'n naman talaga yung mag-start ka ng business. Millions nga, di ba? Kung maganda talaga, medyo malaki yung business. Even maliit lang, millions na ngayon. Okay. So when you hear 140, it's just less than 10,000. Sabi ko, bro, are you tama ba? Yes, bro. Kaya lang ba may subscription na 99 USD next month. Okay, next month. But mamaya mo na ito pag-isipan. Focus muna tayo dito kasi pwede mo itong kitain din na next month dito sa trading. Okay. So now, na maliit na? Yes, maliit compared sa doon sa ito yung laman ng 149 mo. Ma-access mo AI pattern scanner, ma-access mo VIP signals, live, access to live trading, access to masterclass, basic and advanced, AI robot trading, copy trading, and community trading. Alright guys, Q&A tayo. But before Q&A, gusto ko mamigay ng bonus sa inyo tonight. Sino dito yung gusto yung bonus? Bonus. Sino gusto yung bonus? Guys, my bonus for you tonight is I wanna include you with our community, Kabayan Traders Community and Pinoy Traders Community for free. Even if hindi ka muna mag-decide na mag-enroll ng 149. Ulitin ko, for free. Even. Pero of course, hindi mo ma-access yung mga yung mga tools. Pero may mga trainings kami doon. You can start there. Pwede kang magtanong. I wanna give you that community for free. Ang gagawin mo lang tonight is you just reply, I joined the webinar. Huwag kang mag-reply sa chat. Doon ka mag-reply sa someone or somebody, Facebook page or person na nagbigay ng link sa inyo tonight. Di ba? May nagbigay ng link na, bro, mayroong webinar tonight, free webinar, trade like a pro, blah, blah, blah. So, sino yon? It could be a Facebook page or it could be a person. Ang gagawin mo lang, mag-reply ka lang sa kanya. The password is, I joined the webinar. Yes, right now, mag-reply ka ngayon kasi pag mag-reply ka ngayon, we will give you i-join ka namin sa GC and sa Facebook group namin for free. Okay, for free. Alright, copy? So, gagawin mo, just 1 minute, I'll give you 1 minute, 2 minutes, while some of you are open for Q&A, so that mag-message po kayo, Persistent Trader Kabayan or Kabayan Traders Community. Bro Jerwin, wag dito mag-reply ng join the webinar. Sa Messenger po, o pwedeng mamaya na lang after sa Messenger, o today, sa Messenger po. Yung taong nagbigay ng link sa inyo tonight or your Facebook page na nagbigay ng link sa inyo tonight, doon ka mag-reply. Okay. Okay po. Klaro po? Klaro. Okay. Guys, we are done. Q&A tayo. By the way, itong community natin, guys, may mga face-to-face din tayo. Your UAE, meron tayong team sa KSA, meron tayong team sa UAE, meron tayong meetups. Sa VIP community na to, ito yung mga nag-enroll na. Meron tayong mga meetups. Okay. Then meron tayong mga regular Zoom. Training natin for Zoom, guys, is 3 times a week. Pero if you naka-join ka sa community, meron tayong every week, meron tayong training for free. Basta you reply, I joined the webinar. Every Thursday yan, free yung training natin ibibigay sa inyo. Okay? This Thursday, ang topic natin is about AI, understanding about AI trading. Sulit ba mag-enroll? May mag-guide ba sa akin step by step to maximize? Yes, may mag-guide sa inyo. We have group coaching. We have group coaching every week na i-guide sa inyo. We have group training every week na i-guide. At yung mga sponsor mo rin, ay i-guide po kayo. Don't worry, my brother. Lahat mostly sa GC na ito are newbies. Kasi hindi naman lahat alam yung Forex trading. And our program is designed for newbies talaga. For newbies talaga. So bagay to para sa you, bro. Okay. GC, okay. Just reply, I joined the webinar. Malaman pa enroll. So this one, we concluded our training. Okay. So guys, Put your questions. We'll have a Q&A. But while you put your questions on the chat box, papakilala ko sa'yo si Kuya Eman or naging Tito Eman ko na. Guys, 66 years old. Kung mag-join kayo sa VIPGC, nandun siya. Okay, doon kayo sa VIPGC, nag-join siya. He started with a community on October. Okay, guys, na-amaze ako. 66 years old. Regularly, kumikita ng 100 to 200 USD per day sa forex trading. Bakit ko ito kilala? Kasi earlier may nagsabi sa akin, baka hindi ko na kaya bro, I'm 50 years old. No, kayang-kaya mo. This guy is actually 67 na siya. Kasi nag-birthday siya last November. 67 years old. Hindi techie. Hindi techie. Ibig sabihin, hindi magaling sa computer, sa cellphone. Pero yung willingness niya to learn, nandyan. Ibig sabihin, yung system natin, yung cheat codes natin, na isi-share namin sa inyo, yun din yung ginagamit niya. And ibig sabihin, ganoon lang kadali para kikita sa community natin. As long as you're willing. Of course, nag-enroll siya. Ano siya? Si Teto Eman. Meron tayong testimony dito, ni-edit pa namin. So, 66. Meron ba dito more than 66 years old, 67, 68? So, if you are 66 years old and below, my brother, my sister, ibig sabihin, kayang-kaya mo. Kasi nakaya niya, ibig sabihin kayang-kaya mo. Okay. Konti, maliit lang naman. 97 USD, 265 USD in one day. Okay lang. So, ito yung lately na result. Nag-training kasi kami dito. Profit niya sa isang account, BTC 204. Sa another account, 221. So, basically, same day. So, ibig sabihin sa isang araw, kumita siya ng 300 USD or 15,000. 66 years old. Grabe, 'di ba? Meron dito yung mga existing traders na naging madali na lang sa kanila kasi doon sa tinatawag natin ng mga signals and yung mga AI pattern scanners. So madali na lang mag-analyze. Okay. First time forex trading career. Guys, please put your questions below. Q&A na tayo. Actually tapos na tayo. Share lang. Ito rin 56 years old. Si Tita Marichu from Cebu City. Okay. Nag-enroll siya 149, inaral niya for 2 weeks. Nag-start siya, nag-trade demo. After demo, guys, is nag-trade siya. Ngayon, ito nakalaki yung kita niya. Pero yung first month niya is kumita siya ng 96,000 lahat-lahat. 96,000, 56 years old. Alright. Okay. So, by the way, ito yung training namin last, sa mga GCs kasi, kapag ka nag-join kayo sa GCs, kapag nga nag-reply kayo that I joined the webinar, okay, kapag ka nag-reply kayo that I joined the webinar. So, mayroon tayong tinatawag na free na mga training sa inyo. Nakabase ako sa US for not, no problem ba mag-register? To economy, yes, no problem mag-register. Then, meron ding mga specific broker for US. Medyo stricto lang si US. Si US lang yung medyo stricto. Pero may mga specific broker for US. And then, meron na din tayong sa US community na rin. Okay. So, walang problema. To enroll sa economy 100%, walang problema. Okay, walang problema, pwede. Remember guys that Forex, no need VPN, no need. No, remember guys, Forex guys is, how do you call this one? Is international na. Hindi ito Filipino-based, international. So kung saan ka man sa mundo, pwede. Paano ma-receive yung signal? Bro, mayroon tayong tinatawag na Telegram. I-join ka namin sa VIP channel Telegram. And then Solex app. Dalawa po. Dalawang app. Through Solex. And ang Solex po is specific na app po para sa community natin. Okay. And then ang Telegram is, anyone you can have in Telegram, but yung channel is specific. Okay. Okay lang ba mag-register? Kulang pang budget. Okay. Mag-join ka lang sa GC kapag kabuo na yung ready ka na. Tsaka ka mag-register. Para makapag-start, daan-daan ka na mag-explore, mag-learn. How much to start trading makapasok po sa inyo? Okay, very good question. I suggest you start with 149 kasi yun yung information mo. Okay, yun yung information mo. So 149 guys is yun yung malaman kung paano mo gawin. Kasi kahit may 100,000 ka, hindi mo alam paano gawin, mawawala lang din yung capital mo kasi hindi mo alam. So you start with 149. Okay. We'll give you the access, the academy, sa training, sa GCs, AI tools, lahat. And then after that, we will encourage you to do demo trading. After 1 week or 2 weeks, demo trading ka. Pag profitable ka na sa demo trading, that's the time na mag-capital ka. Recommended capital is 100 USD for manual trade. Okay. One time ba yung enrollment? Yung 149 one time. Pero next month, if you want to continue, mayroong 99 monthly subscription if you want to continue. But most of us here, yung 99 na monthly subscription, kapag ka makuha mo na, isang araw mo lang na trade yun. Okay. Ask ko about AI. Yung babayaran is 300. Yes. Once you enroll 149, pwede ka na mag-access sa AI trade. Ang initial capital doon is 300, but you can do 500, 1,000. Just like any business, the bigger, much better. But if you can start with 300, observe mo muna for 1 week. So far, very profitable yung AI trading natin for more than 1 year na. Alin bang GC kasi may persistent? Yeah, mag-reply kayo doon. Mag-reply ka doon. Mag-reply ka doon. I-ask mo doon sa, i-guide ka naman. Basta mag-reply ka lang. Okay. So, balik po, 645 registered to start. 645 is payment option 1. Pero payment option 2 is 149 lang. Maraming pera si bossing. 149 if you want payment option number 2. Okay. So 149. Ano bang trading platform gamit natin? MT5. But if you like MT4, you can do that. Okay, MT5. Ibig sabihin po, magamit yung US Bank. Yes, walang problema. No need GCash. No need kasi actually guys, ang mga broker, ang trading, hindi ito Philippine-based. Walang Philippine-based na broker. Philippine lang is gumagamit ng GCash. Okay? But, doon sa mga brokers natin, pwede ka rin gumamit ng GCash. But if you have card, that would be better. Okay. That's good question, John. Okay, sounds good? Yes. Paano mag-withdraw ng money? Very simple. A way how you deposit, a way how you withdraw. You can withdraw anytime. No lock-in. Magbibigay kami ng instruction kung paano. Mayroon kaming tutorials on how to withdraw. Walang lock-in. You can withdraw anytime. Walang problema. Kasi, you don't actually transact with me. You transact with our... Para po kasi tayo makapag-trade, kailangan natin ng broker. Okay? Kailangan natin ng broker. Like us, we use VT Markets and Light Finance. Yun yung mga tested and proven natin na walang problema. Okay. Ano yung broker? I just mentioned VT Markets and Light Finance. Middle East, bro, walang problema. Hindi ka nag-iisa. Actually, marami tayo dyan sa Middle East. Okay. So, we use, personally, para sa akin, smooth instant withdrawal. Walang labas-pasok. VT Markets. Paano ma-access yung AI trade? Kapag ka naka-enroll ka na 149, magbibigay kami sa iyo ng instruction paano ma-access. Okay. Di ba po walang automated trade sa MT5? Meron po. Meron. Actually, hindi ka mag-automated trade sa MT5. Ililink namin yan sa broker. Okay? Tapos i-monitor mo lang sa MT5. Bro, mali yung information mo, Mr. iPhone. Lahat ng trade dapat automated man yan or manual dapat na sa MT5. Kasi pag sa labas ng MT5, ibig sabihin, fishy yung company na yun. Hindi siya, it could be not regulated. Okay. Sa Thailand po, meron. Guys, again, please understand that trading is not Philippine-based. Trading is international-based. Kahit saan ka man sa mundo, as long as wala ka sa Mars at saka Venus, pwede ka. Okay? I think may question dito na nakaligtaan ko. 149 plus 99. Good question. 149 only. 149 only. Ang 99 is after next month if you want to continue. After next month if you want to continue. Optional. Okay? But marunong ka na, magaling ka na. You don't need the tools anymore. So walang problema. Pero ang goal natin dito guys is your first month kikita ka lang ng 100 USD. Yun lang. Pero may mga kumita ng 100,000. Okay? Depende sa risk appetite ng tao. Alright? Kasi risk appetite. Thank you po sa answer. Okay. Pwede pong gamitin Union Bank. Pwede, pwede. 99 po, how many months? Every month po yan if you want to continue. Every month. Pero kung magaling ka na, marunong ka na, yung 99 mo isang araw lang na trade. Kagaya nito. This one. Okay. First time ko nakabawi ng time trader ako, puro lose. Ibig sabihin, nagtitrade na siya dati, puro lose daw. Pero dito sa group na ito, sulit yung 149. Bakit sulit? Kasi nag-trade siya, gamit yung cheat code natin, kumita siya sa isang araw. In just after a week, yung pumasok siya, after a week nang pumasok siya kagad, kumita siya using a cheat code, kumita siya 200,000 pesos kagad. Okay, marami. 1,002, 2,000, 200, kahit 100 lang guys. 1, 2, kahit 100 lang, sulit na. Masaya na ako. Pero nga, mayroon nga sa community natin kumikita ng 1 million isang buwan nga ito. Isang buwan. Okay. Ito yung endorser natin, alam niyo naman. So, ito yung package. Anong gagawin mo kung gusto mo mag-trade tapos hindi ka magbayad? Pwede ka bang mag-trade na hindi ka mag-enroll? Pwede. Pero delikado yung capital mo. Delikado yung capital mo.
Huwag mong subukan. Masisira ang buhay mo.
Kasi po sa trading po, especially new traders, 95% mag-fail kung walang tamang tools, walang tamang community, walang tamang guidance. Alright?
That's 400%.
Ito po is, nag-start lang siya, 100, then kumita siya. After 2 weeks sa pagtitrade, 400, bawing-bawi na niya. Okay? Okay, question. 99 is subscription only. Yes. 99 every month if you want to continue. Subscription mo lang yan. Okay. Magkano po ideal for first trading mapalago po? I-start po kayo ng 100 USD lang po. 100 USD. Pwede bang 1,000 USD? Pwede. Pwede bang 2,000 USD? Pwede. Walang problema. Pero since nandito rin ako na mag-guide sa inyo, ito muna. 100. Makuha mo yung 100. Kung gusto mong magkapital na malaki, walang problema. Kapag ka alam mo na kung anong ginagawa mo. Pero kung marami kang pera, hindi mo pa alam, wag muna. I-start muna tayo ng 100 USD. Okay? Paano po yung mode of payment? Mode of payment natin is, magbibigay kami, ilang link, dali lang. Card, GoTime, Paymaya. Sa economy, dito sa community natin, yung mode of payment is mostly card. So, meron tayong GoTime, kung wala kayong credit card, then meron kayong Paymaya. Sa mga broker, GCash pwede. Kasi fintech company kasi yung mga broker. 149 yan ba gagamitin sa pagtitrade? No. Yan po yung access mo sa cheat code natin. Sa training at saka sa tools mo. Sa training at saka sa tools. I think I'd answer this one. 149 plus 99, no. 100, dugay ka sabot, oy. 149 lang. Ka 149 access na nimo. Ayun, binisay na to ni para masabtan. Access mo yan sa academy, sa tools. Okay. And then after you learn, mag-capital ka, 100 USD. Okay. And then yung 99 is, after 30 days, if you want to continue with the subscription, yung mga tools natin, pwede kang mag-subscribe. But if you don't want, pwede kang hindi mag-subscribe. Copy? Mabawi ba yung 149 sa isang buwan? Ito na lang yung ipapakita ko.
That's 400% na increase sa akong gipuhunan nga $105.
Nag-start siya 100.
That's 400%.
Inaral niya 2 weeks. Tapos nag-trade siya, kumita siya ng 400. Ang question ba na, nabawi ba niya? Yes na yes. O ganito yung mga resulta mo kasama sa mga resulta natin. Mabawi mo ba yung 149? Yes. Actually, marami to guys. Marami to. At dinilit ko na yung iba sa dami ng screenshots. Mabawi ba yung 149? Yes. I would say yes. Paano kung pagpalit ng bank account later like uwi sa Pilipinas? Usually kasi pagka nasa labas ka, tawag nito, I will recommend that use your local bank. Wala namang problema bro. Like I said, international naman ito. Ang mga bank ngayon, basta may Visa card, Mastercard, kahit saan ka sa mundo, pwede mo nang ma-access yan. Pwede mo mag-change ka ng bank, walang problema. Pwede mong i-edit, okay, walang problema. Paano po deal first trading pa mapalago? Okay. Paano ito? First trading mapalago, very good question. Ang pinaka-tip ko sa iyo is mag-enroll ka. Mag-access ka sa cheat code. Okay? Mag-demo account ka for 3 days to 1 week. Pag makuha mo na, mag-live account ka. Dahan-dahan mo siyang ipalago kung mayroon kang cheat codes at may tamang guidance ka. Ang 149 po as initial trading capital. Ako nito bago na idugay kay Kagets. Yes, na natin ito. Maraming salamat sa panonood nyo. Ano bang time schedule sa mga trading signals? Yeah, very good. PH time lang ha, PH time kasi Maraming OFW. Okay, so may Japan, may nasa UAE, may nasa US. So, ang gagamitin natin PH time. Sa trading signals natin, mag-start siya 2 p.m. patas. Kasi yun yung time mag-trade is 4 p.m. PH time, London session yan. Okay, and then 9 p.m., 9 to 10 p.m., New York session yan. Okay, PH time yun na. Okay, very good questions. So I think nakuha nyo na lahat, guys. Kung hindi nyo nakuha, pag-join kayo sa GC doon, question kayo doon, walang problema. Sir, unsa imong messenger? Yun nga, doon ka mag-reply sa taong nagbigay ng link sa inyo. Mag-reply ka that I joined the webinar. Okay, mag-reply ka doon. May nagbigay ng link sa inyo tonight. Bakit kaya kayo nakapasok sa webinar natin? Mag-reply ka lang doon and i-guide ka namin kung paano mapasok sa GC. Nakakatawa yung mga question nyo, guys. Okay lang po, ganun naman talaga. Kaya mag-join na lang kayo sa GC kasi unlimited questions doon. For now, tapos na yung time natin. Okay. Okay, GC po. Yes po, yun po yung GC natin, Kabayan Traders Community. Sa mga international. Sa local po, Pinoy Traders Community. Nag-message na ako. Okay, guys, maraming salamat po sa pakikinig. Sana po may na-learn kayo tonight. Guys, ito lang yung ano ko sa inyo. Ito kasi naging answered prayer to sa akin. This opportunity is an answered prayer for me. Imagine niyo sa short period of time lang nakabawi ako. Okay, but I'm not saying na ganito din mangyayari sa inyo. Pero if you take my lead, madali lang sa Forex, guys, kung may community ka, may tools ka, may pagtanungan ka, may tamang training. Madali lang. Maraming na tayong nagka-resulta dito. In fact, andito nga si Coach Jim, isa sa mga FW, na kumita na rin ng 100,000 in 1 week. Additional income niya sa Forex trading. Nandito siya. So, without much further time, kasi wala na tayong time, anong mawawala sa guys, anong mawawala sa 149? That's 10,000, that's 8,000 pesos, that's 9,000 pesos below. If you want to start a business, yung 10,000 na yan, yung 6,000, yung 8,000 na yan, hindi mo ma-open ang sari-sari store yan. You can't even open a sari-sari store for that. You can't even open a quick business for that. Pwede balot business. Pero hindi ka kumita ng 70,000 in one day. So that 149, kung titingnan mo sa risk at saka sa reward niya, napakaliit lang ho yan. And of course, in this world, those people that are willing to take the risk, sila din yung yumayaman. Sila din yung makatanggap ng reward kasi they are willing to take the risk. If I were you, your life, if you want to change your life, is just a matter of one decision. You cannot expect the different result doing the same thing. Ulitin ko po. Hindi ka mag-expect na different result. Same lang yung ginagawa mo. So if you want a new financial result in your life, you need to change. Mayroon kang bagong decision na gagawin mo sa buhay mo. Guys, baka, I'm not saying ito na talaga, baka ito na, just like me, 149 lang, mabago yung takbo ng financial business mo. Thank you so much, guys. Tapos sasagutin ko to, legal po ba ito sa Philippines? Baka maipasa ko siya dito. Technically, yes and no answer. Kasi walang regulatory bodies kasi, walang batas sa Pilipinas about Forex. So it could be, hindi siya illegal, hindi po siya legal. Thank you so much, guys. God bless everyone. Maraming salamat.